Hello everybody and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Euro USD here. So jumping straight into the weekly analysis here. So looking at the price action from last week, we can see we've just been in that straight downfall since breaking that upwards for our trend line here, and we've just been essentially descending as much as we can here. So I do actually believe that if we didn't manage to get into that position as we talked about last week on Thursday, Friday, I believe, I do believe that we could have potentially missed that chance to continue to fall to the downside here. So we might have to just let this trade play out and wait for price to reach this zone here or wait for a pullback. So we can obviously look at that. So something of a pullback will look like this. This is what I'll be looking for, is price to come back obviously into this area, and I want to see rejection candles in this area towards the upside, and then that having that again, that bearish momentum huge, especially with the volume as well. We want to see that, and then hopefully we will come back down again. Also bearing in mind here, keep in mind of that structure high that we currently have here. We don't really want to break that, but if it does, then we could potentially be looking for an upside potential here. So what that would look like is a push to the obviously upside. We get that closure to the upside. That's very important and key here. Then the second step is for waiting for that rejection in this reversal zone with the wick. So that could be like a wick rejection or anything upon them among them lines. Can't get my words out. And then we want to wait for that bullish sentiment to the upside. So any candle that signifies a push to the upside. So something that would give us an idea that this has been rejected and we are now moving to the upside. So that's what I'll be looking at in this area here, and that's at 1.107 to 1.105. So in this area here is where you should pay attention to. Now, if price fails to get into this region at all, price will then start. If price is able to get into this region here, and that's at 1.098 to 1.096. So if it manages to get into this region, essentially it could respect the one of two following. So obviously we get that push to the upside. So if price is able to reject this area again, we may expect price to come back up then, or we'll get that push and closure to the downside with that rejection to the upside, and then we'll get that push further. So really just depends how weak the euro does become against the US dollar, and obviously how strong the US dollar does become. So obviously these factors will play here. So two areas here that we are paying attention to, so make sure you keep a watch out for that. And obviously we will update you on with the daily videos, so make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel to check those out, and hopefully these videos are helping you with your trading. So nonetheless, thank you very much for listening, and we'll catch you next week.